On this episode of Antidote TV.
Krewe De Femme! Krewe De Femme! Krewe De Femme! Krewe De Femme!
Are you ready?
Ready for what?
You're going drifting, bro. You've been talking about drifting.
That was too much rock.
He's gonna figure it out. Oh, yeah! Media guy to drift guy. Welcome to the new shop. Today is
Krewe De Femme!
Krewe De Femme, Ladies Day. 25 girls out here, women, ladies, getting their drift on, all right?
Ladies.
All the ladies. So hopefully we can have some cool content to show you of all the things we are able to teach and things that are learned throughout the day, because we are about to have a great time.
Delegate. The engine, if you can, try to safely get off of the course as quickly as possible. You can kind of tuck over towards these barriers. Of course, you do the hand slap to indicate that you need help getting off the track. Track support will come get you.
I'm not trying to get sappy here, but I'm going to do it real quick. So, Mel has been stressed out really bad about the event, and we've been texting, calling. You know, I'm like, hey, you got to do it, because if you don't do it, what happens if you don't do it? It doesn't happen, right? So, I had cancer like 2 years ago. A couple of y'all know I bought cars on my credit card just so I could come out here to drive. Raffles, did all kind of stuff just to drive, right? These three, they all helped us. They always were always on it, always on it. They didn't have to do it, but they did anyway, right? So what I did, I painted a wheel the same color as Mel's. Yeah, you can grab it. The same color as Mel's car, and what I need from everybody here today, so we can remember that she did a good job. Obviously, look at everybody here. I want everybody to sign it at some point, okay? Thank you to Mel, because guess what? Y'all are all here, right? Congratulations, we got it. So, at some point, just come by and sign it for me, please, because we want to remember today. So, good stuff. Awesome. Yep, awesome.
Good stuff.
idea for Megan. We're gonna put DJ in the car just so he can like get his feet wet. I don't know what. I have like no idea what's gonna happen, but I want her to be able to see it. I want him to be able to see it. So like, he's about to come out of the bathroom, and I'm like, yo, it's time to go. He's been talking about driving. He's literally been talking about driving for feels like forever. So gonna give him a little taste and see what happens. Donald.
Yeah.
Hey Donald.
Hi.
Come stand over here real quick. Stand right here. Right there, and you look at me. You gotta turn the other way. All right, you ready? Are you ready?
Ready for what?
You're going drifting, bro. You've been talking about drifting. Your wife has been messaging me, like, we've been talking, and she's like,
Don't play games.
Can you get Donald in the car? And guess what? We're gonna practice today, and tomorrow you're gonna link the track. So have a great time. Here's your helmet. You're gonna go do some donuts. Tommy is gonna hook it up. Mike's gonna hook it up.
I don't know how to do no donut.
He's about to do. He's gonna learn.
You in the driver's seat.
See you guys. Here we go. Have a good time.
I don't know how to do no donut.
You can't hang around us and then expect not to end up doing the things you say. DJ's had a rough couple of weeks, so we're gonna change that real quick. Have fun, bud. All right, we're gonna see how DJ does. He's got Tommy's in there giving him some pointers. He's been talking about this for a long time. Let's see.
Is there anything that I have to know? Give it some throttle and correct it with the steering. Okay.
Yo!
Okay.
Yeah! That's perfect to start. Oh yeah! Look at him.
So, you did everything right to start off.
I just didn't let the steering wheel spin.
Keep on the throttle.
Okay.
Like, there's a fine point that you can find in the throttle where you can just hold it in that one spot with the throttle and the steering, and it'll just go around the circle as much as you want.
Yeah.
Can I hold it?
Oh.
That was too much throttle. So try to find a medium between what you first started off with and what you just did.
Okay.
Okay. Too much throttle, not enough steering input.
Not enough steering input.
Yeah.
So
You have to catch up to your steering.
okay.
So once you feel it start rotating, slowly feed it.
Come back.
Yeah. So you have to match your throttle input with your steering. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Doesn't matter which way I go.
Doesn't matter which way you go.
All right.
That's good. That's good for a start.
Yeah. No, I haven't really been pushing the clutch in at all. So.
Yeah, just dump it to get it started and then focus on your throttle. See what the f I'm talking about? Now do it the other way.
He's gonna figure it out. Oh my God, this is so funny. I love this.
This dude is stopping.
Tell him to get on the gas.
He doesn't know how to act! He doesn't know how to act! He's DJs on the front of the cone!
I got that video.
Let her go out for a little bit. DJ, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? First time? I love it. That's a step, and that's a step.
All you have to do is match it.
Wow.
You just gotta match it, bro. You got the concept. You got the concept. How do you feel? How cool is that?
It was so fun.
Media, see? Media guy to drift guy. That was tight.
Oh, I haven't driven
Did you see us jumping?
Huh?
We see us jumping up, dude. We were like, oh, Georgie! That was so cool. Thank you, Tommy. Yeah. Yeah, once he kind of grabbed, yeah, I like that.
And he was just like, okay.
Like I broke it already.
Oh. How's that fan?
It's been in the works for a little bit.
It's probably a fan.
Megan has been messaging me on Facebook
No way.
for like before you had like you were sick. So like a month and a half, 2 months ago. So
Yeah, I've been bugging the shit out of her. So.
she's like, DJ really wants to drive. I'm like, well, I guess he needs to drive, right?
Oh man, I could throw up right now.
Yeah.
Like exciting throw up.
Exciting throw up, not sick throw up.
This like, right? I'm fine.
See, for me,
Nah,
it's the
you're-
opposite.
We know you're not good at turning left. We saw the front door in your Subaru.
I was going straight. She was turning left.
Friend joke, sorry. Austin, where were you?
I was watching from afar.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I was a little scared, so I.
Yeah. He didn't have any kind of any faith. He didn't have any faith.
Like.
That was so
I'm
cool.
just glad you don't look at your Facebook messages,
Why?
because I would have gave it away.
Yeah, there's been
I'm like, yeah, dude.
You're not the only one.
I'm so proud of you.
Ian was in the group chat and he was like,
and I was like,
Dude, wait.
yeah.
What?
Ian was like, oh, you're doing some
then-
laps this weekend, and I was like, Ian, bruh.
I was like, yeah, I'm trying to get some. I'm always trying to drive, but like I'm always so worried about media.
Drew told me, he was like, he doesn't know.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh shit.
Whoops.
I hope he doesn't look at
It
Facebook.
was crawling on you, Disney.
Where?
It was a love bug.
Where is it? Did you think Mr. DJ did a good job?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's all that
How
matters.
did you keep breaking down?
I'm just not good. I'm still learning.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, God.
Oh god. All
The
right.
Dasani takes out
There
yet
it is.
another human.
Another human Dasani. Stand right here. They got cars coming.
With the FRS, just throw it.
Yep.
I remember that's what you and Mike would tell me, like, dog, just throw it.
Yep.
You ain't got a lot of power, you better be full throttle, throw it.
Yep.
Once I did.
Yeah! You're so close!
That's how y'all felt with me.
No.
Because I feel so happy for him.
Oh, I mean, I thought I was like bored. No, I'm happy. I'm bucked up. I don't care who's driving, dude. It's like,
Just want to see driving, huh?
yeah, dude. I mean, Jalen, you, Mike, like DJ. Come on, Donald! Come on, Donald!
All he has to do is put it together that one time.
Yeah, it's a wrap. Come on. I would say keep going at like while the wheels are broken loose. And almost like try to just, yeah. That still counts. Look at this wheel. I'm gonna give that to Mel for her good job.
Freaking fire.
She doesn't know.
Relive De Femme. Relive De Femme.
It's like my favorite part about the name. I feel like that's how I have to say it. Oh, is that a mosquito?